Did you know a corporate lawyer once hired his biggest enemy to be his fake girlfriend? Gabriel Morrison was the king of corporate law, winning every case with ruthless precision. But there was one attorney who could match him blow for blow in the courtroom: Victoria Chen, fierce, brilliant, and absolutely untouchable. They battled in court like gladiators, neither giving an inch. Until Gabriel got an invitation that changed everything. His ex was getting married. Desperate to save face, he made the most insane decision of his life. He asked Victoria to be his fake girlfriend for the wedding. What started as a business arrangement quickly turned dangerous. Family dinners became charged with unexpected chemistry. Their usual bickering transformed into something much more intense. When she finally called out his commitment issues in their hotel room, everything exploded. They almost kissed before she stormed out, leaving Gabriel stunned. He had caught real feelings for his greatest rival,